You're so beautiful.
Only because you told me to do the thing.
I mean,
so I did it for you. All right, partner. Bang. Let's go. Let's get it. All right, guys. It's I'll wait. Don't worry, I'll wait. Hey, do we want to play brackets? I want to make all the money that there is to make. All right, guys. It's about 11 p.m. We're in Longview, Texas, bowling Longview doubles. And since I won my title this year, I can't bowl a simo. So I'm backbone with the guy I used to originally bowl this tournament with. So team lefties, team purple, let's get it. Good call, Kevin. I know.
Good call, Kevin.
I know. Just a quick update, guys. Our left lane is actually impossible, so we're just grinding. Me and Michael throw it nothing alike, but he just lofted it and hit the hole on the most impossible lane of the year. So I'm just gonna loft it. It's gotta work for me, right? Just to fill you in on the format real quick, it's top 64, not top 64, there's only 64 teams in the field. 64 teams, I know, we made the top 64, we did it. We did it, top 64.
Yeah.
Anyways, it's late, guys, it's already midnight. It's 64 teams, double elimination match play, and the matches are best, no, I don't know what, it's 3-game total. I have no clue, what tournament are we bowling?
Right.
Anyways. 3-game total, double elimination, match play. We won our first match, we're moving on to the next match. We're bowling against this stud right here. Match number 2, different pair. Left lane still impossible. We are struggling to strike on the left lane. I just got my first double. I'm in the 7th frame. Michael doesn't have a double through 7 frames. We're down about 30 right now, so gotta keep grinding. It's gonna be a long one now.
That is by far the worst I've ever bowled in this tournament.
Sick, I'm glad it's with me. Well, we lost round 2. We got some bowling to do. Day 2, Michael's gonna shoot more than 540, right?
Yes, more than 540.
We have a tough matchup early on. We bowl Rick and Dio Bernard. If you guys don't know who Dio is, you will soon. He's sick. So we gotta dial in.
yesterday, what I did, I moved back further left, throwing that taller purple that hooked too much, and just trying to keep a little speed to it.
Yeah. It's kind of what I'm doing. A ton. I suck at bowling. That was harder. Yeah. Yes. I can't not say it, even though we're bowling in a tight match against him. And one ref. They're getting to the point where we're like all on top of each other so much that the hook spot, you have to see it so early, you move in away from it, but there's so much volume in the middle part of the lane, it's never gonna hook. So you gotta find a way to stay further left and not see it read it so early. Like how I lofted it a little bit. We're turning up for this fourth match.
Oh. Time to party after Let's go.
I'm not just saying this because I'm complaining. It's just factual statements. The left is pretty tricky this year, so catching the two right-handers is going to be a tall task for us. But, you know, we're confident, we're fine. I never thought I'd be able to hook it as much as I'm about to, but I'm about to hook it because this pair's on fire. spokesperson of Teammate Beggars because I missed the spare.
He was
And
following
I got
his
260
teammate.
points. That's amazing. I'll take 260 points every game. I think you're trying to cheat. I think you're trying to put something on the ball and make it hook more.
Yeah.
That many. 5.
You would never know that I started off Brooklyn. You'd never know. On today's episode of What Will Michael Leave This Frame? Because he's gone stuff 8, which are videoed. Following shot stuff 9. So 10 pin question mark?
Damn, I turned the mic on, I got no excitement.
Yeah! Whoa! Whoa! Dude, we're grinding. It was the food. We got the freebie food, and we dialed it in.
And this is our first time bowling on Fresh.
I can't wait. We just bowled 1400 on the super duper burn.
Yeah.
But Ray, tell him what to do. You're the best coach around.
I see a lot of purple hammers in front of me. As you see here, there's a wide selection of purple balls.
Purple, purple,
I would
purple,
go
purple.
mini, mini, mo. Pick this one.
Pick one.
Pick it. I mean, we kept it.
We're going with the number 2 in the back.
Okay. Okay. Let's see it. This is the lucky purple.
We'll see if it gets 5.
25%.
That's a good choice. I think that would look more purple than the other ones. That's a valid choice. It was too purple. We needed a little less purple.
Alright guys, we won, and now we bowl some local father-son duo. I've never heard of them, so I'm sure it'll be a breeze of a match.
Just the toes. Just the toes.
Some Chris Vaughn guy and some Ryan Barnes guy. I don't know. We'll figure it out though. We haven't even started, and Chris is trying to sabotage the lefties. I see what you're doing.
Yeah. What shoe do I get? It's my shoe.
Quick update, guys, we're getting manhandled. The right-handers are whooping us. And as I look around at every other score, we would beat a lot of people besides the people we're bowling. And that's the beauty and the beast of this format.
They need to shoot 10-7.
Good bowling.
Thanks, you too.
Good bowling. All right, guys, we finished 7th, 8th. Long event. We bowled 24 games today, non-stop. They weren't easy, but we bowled well. We bowled well. I mean, we grinded, and you know, we lost to 2 really good bowlers. So that's all I got, guys. I'm exhausted.
We kicking it like FIFA, yeah, 'cause the party won't last forever. Yeah, I mean, it's not gonna last forever.